That's right. Hip, hop, hip, hip.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, pour down in the wasp nest. This is about 2 gallons of boiling water and a half cup of Dawn soap in the boiling water. I'm gonna put the boiling water so I'm not juggling this and spilling it on my hands because it's full to the brim almost. I'm gonna put it in a 5-gallon bucket. So it's boiling water. I just pour in the half cup of soap, stir it around some. That sucker's hot. Now, let's go attack. Ideally, I want to get it at the entrance, like the ground entrance, and drown them out. But where I tried to do that last night, it didn't get in actually to the nest. So I had to get to the root of the issue. Okay, so I just went out, was laying on the boat dock. I heard this scruffle. That was a big old toad. Oop, there's a big old bullfrog. And found out it was a huge skunk. It was going in the wasp nest, which I was planning on destroying tonight. And it went and started digging in it. I think it was like eating the wasp nest or whatever. And it went back in here. I believe it's all dead though right now. Better be, or else I'm in bad position. So I had to get him because he was, oh, it's stinking too much. He was blocking the wasp nest. Okay, so this is the very next day. I need someone to expose it, see where I can get the entrance to the nest. Pays off, you know, this kid with water guns. But attacking the nest, they're ticked. They're ticked. I need to move that log right there. Oh. I just poured 2 gallons of water, half a cup of soap. Here's the exposed nest right there. Look at all of them. That's proof right there. Blowing out water and soap. Not some on contact. Just came back 10 minutes after I did it. It's insane. It's a crazy junk right there. This is the very next day after the wasp attack. Okay, this is about a week later after I attacked the wasp nest. Just to show you, it officially worked. No wasps. And proof that this nest is done with. No more wasps down here. It's proof right there from me. Heck yeah. That's proof right there. totally destroyed. This is the very next day. Where's a wasp nest? In these girls' bellies. See? It's another just little section. Good girl. The ants and the chickens will finish it up. This is about a week after I attacked the wasp yellowjacket nest underground. Just proof that it worked.